Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wealth Window. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects everyone: financial literacy. Specifically, the concepts of good debt versus bad debt. In this video, you'll learn how to differentiate between these two types of debt and why it matters for your financial health. Understanding the distinction between good and bad debt is essential for making informed financial decisions. The impact of debt on your financial health can be significant. Poor debt management can lead to stress, hinder your ability to save, and even affect your credit score. Conversely, understanding how to leverage good debt can open doors to opportunities and financial stability. So, stick around as we break down these concepts and provide you with actionable tips to enhance your financial literacy. Debt is essentially the act of borrowing money with the promise to repay it, usually with interest, over a specified period. When you take on debt, you enter into a financial obligation that requires you to pay back the borrowed amount, often in installments. This concept is fundamental to personal finance, as it allows individuals to make significant purchases or investments that they may not be able to afford upfront. Debt can be categorized into two main types: secured and unsecured. Secured debt is backed by collateral, meaning that if you fail to repay, the lender can claim the asset. A common example of secured debt is a mortgage, where the home serves as collateral. On the other hand, unsecured debt does not have collateral backing it, making it riskier for lenders. Credit cards and personal loans typically fall into this category, as they rely solely on your creditworthiness for approval. Within these categories, there are various common types of debt. Credit cards allow for flexible borrowing, but often come with high interest rates. Personal loans can be used for a variety of purposes, while mortgages are specifically for purchasing real estate. Understanding these forms of debt is crucial for making informed financial decisions and managing your obligations effectively. So what is good debt then? And how can we utilize it? Good debt refers to borrowing that has the potential to lead to wealth building and financial growth. Unlike bad debt, which can drain your resources, good debt is an investment in your future. It typically involves taking on obligations that can generate income or appreciate in value over time. One of the most common examples of good debt is student loans. While they require repayment, the education and skills gained can significantly increase your earning potential in the long run. Similarly, mortgages are another form of good debt. Purchasing a home not only provides a place to live, but also allows you to build equity as property values rise. Business loans also fall into this category, as they can help entrepreneurs invest in their ventures, leading to increased revenue and job creation. Good debt can improve your financial stability by providing you with the means to invest in your education, property, or business opportunities. When managed wisely, these debts can enhance your overall financial health and lead to greater future earnings. Understanding the characteristics of good debt empowers you to make informed decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. By leveraging good debt effectively, you can set yourself on a path toward financial success and security. What is bad debt? Bad debt refers to borrowing that does not contribute to wealth building and can often lead to financial strain. Unlike good debt, which can enhance your financial future, bad debt typically involves high-interest obligations that can quickly spiral out of control. This type of debt does not provide any long-term value and can hinder your financial progress. A common example of bad debt is high-interest credit card debt. When you use credit cards for non-essential purchases and fail to pay off the balance in full, the accumulating interest can become overwhelming. Another example is payday loans, which often come with exorbitant interest rates and fees. These loans can trap borrowers in a cycle of debt, making it difficult to escape financial hardship. The negative impact of bad debt on your financial health can be significant. It can lead to increased stress, limit your ability to save, and negatively affect your credit score. A lower credit score can make it more challenging to secure favorable loan terms in the future, further complicating your financial situation. Understanding the characteristics of bad debt is crucial for making informed decisions and avoiding pitfalls that can derail your financial goals. By recognizing and managing bad debt effectively, you can work towards a healthier financial future. Everyone should go through the process of evaluating their debt. Assessing your own debt situation is a crucial step toward achieving financial stability. The first thing you should do is categorize your debts as good or bad. Take a moment to list all your debts and identify which ones contribute to your wealth building, like student loans or mortgages, and which ones are draining your resources, such as high-interest credit card debt or payday loans. This classification will help you understand where to focus your efforts. Next, consider using tools for tracking and managing your debt effectively. There are numerous apps and online platforms designed to help you monitor your debts, set reminders for payments, and even calculate interest rates. These tools can provide valuable insights into your spending habits and help you stay organized. Finally, it's essential to create a debt repayment plan. Start by prioritizing your debts, focusing on high-interest ones first, while making minimum payments on others. Set realistic goals and timelines for repayment, and consider strategies like the snowball or avalanche methods to stay motivated. A well-structured repayment plan not only helps you pay off your debts faster, but also reduces stress and improves your overall financial health. By evaluating your debt situation and taking proactive steps, you can pave the way for a more secure financial future. One of the most important strategies is to establish a solid budgeting and financial planning framework. By creating a budget, you can track your income and expenses, ensuring that you allocate funds toward debt repayment while still covering your essential needs. This proactive approach helps you stay on top of your financial obligations and avoid falling into further debt. Another effective strategy is exploring debt consolidation and refinancing options. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into a single loan, often with a lower interest rate. This can simplify your payments and potentially reduce the total interest you pay over time. Similarly, refinancing existing loans can help you secure better terms, making your monthly payments more manageable. When it comes to prioritizing your repayment efforts, focus on paying off bad debt first. High-interest debts, like credit card balances, can quickly accumulate and become overwhelming. By tackling these debts first, you can free up more of your income for savings and investments in the long run. Implementing these strategies can empower you to take control of your financial situation, reduce stress, and work toward a more secure financial future. Remember, managing debt is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. In this video, we've explored the critical distinction between good debt and bad debt, emphasizing the importance of understanding how each type impacts your financial health. Good debt, such as student loans, mortgages, and business loans, can be valuable tools for building wealth and securing your financial future. In contrast, bad debt, like high-interest credit card balances and payday loans, can lead to financial strain and hinder your progress. By recognizing the differences between these two types of debt, you can make informed decisions that empower you to take control of your financial future. It's essential to assess your own debt situation, create a solid repayment plan, and prioritize paying off bad debt first. Remember, managing your debt effectively is a key step toward achieving financial stability and success. That will wrap up this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos related to business, personal finance, and much more. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who may also benefit from understanding good and bad debt. Together, we can foster a community that values financial education and empowers individuals to make smarter financial choices. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.